Hello everyone, welcome to Blup 101 series. As you may recall from our previous videos, we have demonstrated how to utilize the grouping feature in Blup. Today in this video, we'll delve into the world of smart layout within Blup, all while using the same car selection page we have previously developed. Let's pick up where we left off, starting with the grouping of elements. First of all, we'll group the Uber Alto and drop-off time elements, then stretch this to increase the size. As you can see, this adjustment has caused the alignment of elements to become distorted. No worries. We can address this using the Smart Layout feature. You have a range of alignment options to choose from, including the top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, and center depending on your specific requirements. Moving on, we can also manipulate the direction property, which allows us to arrange elements either horizontally or vertically. Currently, we are utilizing the column direction. Additionally, the gap property comes into play. Here we can set the gap between elements ranging from 0 to 8.0 units. The gap serves as a visual separation between the elements, enhancing their overall appearance. But we are not done yet. Next, we'll group all the three elements: Uber Alto, drop-off time, and pricing. After selecting them, simply right-click and group them together. However, even after grouping, you might notice that the alignment isn't quite right. Fear not, we can once again rely on Smart Layout to fine-tune the alignment. In this case, we'll switch to row direction, adjust the text placement, and bring everything into harmony. Furthermore, the spacing property comes into play. Opt for space between and watch as a consistent gap is created between the selected elements. Additionally, you can modify the alignment from top center to center left align, ensuring a consistent appearance for all elements. Now, let's take things up a notch by grouping all four elements together: the vehicle, Uber Alto, drop-off time, and pricing. Once more, head over to the Smart Layout settings. Keep all other properties at their default settings and solely modify the gap to either 6.0 or 12.0 units. This adjustment ensures that all elements are automatically aligned as they should be. And with that, we have completed our journey through Smart Layout in Blup. To sum it up, the Smart Layout tool offers a real-time preview of your design, allowing you to visualize how it will appear on various devices. The invaluable feature is complemented by an intuitive interface, making it a breeze for designers to grasp and utilize these tools effectively. The result? A smoother design process and an enhanced user experience. You now have the knowledge and skills to wield this powerful design tool. So, until we meet next, you guys keep blupping.